Right, hello everybody, welcome to Point Films. Welcome back to Point Films. Today's video is back with Trainride. Taking a ride on the tram train to Cathedral from Rotherham Parkgate. The Sheffield Supertram, or Stagecoach Supertram, is a light rail tram system in the city of Sheffield in England. The infrastructure is owned by SYPTE, a South Yorkshire Passenger Transport Executive, while private transport company Stagecoach is responsible for the operation and maintenance of the trams. The tram train route to Rotherham Parkgate was introduced on the 25th of October 2018 because of interest in the modern tram system for Sheffield in the 1980s. Further planning was performed by SYPTE. Supertram was approved by an Act of Parliament during 1991. Construction of the Supertram network, which incorporated several existing heavy rail sections as well as new track, was carried out in sections, allowing for the commencement of the first revenue services during 1994. Early operations were hindered by a complex ticketing system and the initially small coverage area, contributing to a disappointing ridership figures during its first years.
Rotherham Central. This is the tram train service to Cathedral.
Really good seats. Nice to the cab. Traveller's cab.
Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. 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 You know everything about me.
Just thought I'd let everyone know. Last year, 2018, on the first day of operation of the tram train, it collided with a lorry. So that's voyage kind of thing. That doesn't stop the services and cause any trouble. So, Meadowhall South.
Tinsley, Meadowhall South. Leave the tram train here for Meadowhall shopping and Meadowhall interchange.
This service is for Cathedral. This
For IKEA.
Carbrook for IKEA. Hold tight, please.
IKEA. Centertainment.
Well, if you want to do it the same way you do it now, but then you have to carry on going, but I don't see why you do that, you can just go straight down now.
Valley Centertainment.
You know everything about me.
Arena Olympic Legacy Park. This is the tram train service to Cathedral. Hold tight, please.
Olympic Legacy Park.
Literally never been to
Attercliffe.
Tram train service to Cathedral. Woodbourn Road.
Athletic Stadium. Sheffield Supertram. Road. Woodbourn Road.
Woodbourn Road.
The wonder is never really going under. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. You know everything about me.
Nunnery Square Park and Ride. This is the tram train service to Cathedral.
Nunnery Square Park and Ride.
They go back to Select Park then? Yeah. Just your map? 12 of us. What, my family?
Tram.
This is the tram train service to Cathedral. The next stop by request will be Cricket Inn Road.
Another tram coming.
Cricket Inn Road. This is the tram train service to Cathedral. This is the tram train service to Cathedral. The next stop by request will be Hyde Park.
Hyde Park.
Hyde Park.
You know everything about me. 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 You know every about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about.
Fitzalan Square. This is the tram train service to Cathedral.
It's going to Meadowhall.
Castle Square. This is the tram train service to Cathedral. Hold tight, please.
No, there is a castle in Sheffield for a long time. Might like it.
This is the tram train service to Cathedral. The next stop will be Cathedral, where this service terminates.
Cathedral, the end of the line. Cathedral. The bells are in. The bells are ringing out towards Parkgate.